Hi, I'm Maggie. After college, I was living on my own until I moved in with Stacy in 2016. Sharing an apartment has been awesome, but Stacy is much more extroverted than I am, so she's always on the move. Me, I love staying inside, working on videos, and watching Netflix. I cherish my alone time, but it can be, lonely. This was the start of our journey to being pet owners. Once January rolled around, I was ready to dig in. This is when I saw her. Mercury. She was a small tuxedo kitty, only 6 pounds, and while most of her face was white, she had a black spot right on her nose. She was lovely, so I sent in the application and arranged a meeting. But I'm excited to meet my kitty. I was taken with Mercury. Her meow was so high-pitched and small, like a kitten's. I knew she would fit right into my introverted lifestyle. Now I just had to convince Stacy. Stacy was just as shy as Mercury when we went to visit her together, but once Mercury was placed in her lap, Stacy was hooked. It was the tiny meows and the white paws. What a knockout. After a lot of deliberation and a little crying, we decided Mercury was the right kitty for us. So I gathered all the supplies needed, signed the adoption papers, cleared it with our building manager, and it was time to bring her home. I'm just leaving work. I'm going to pick up our kitty. And I'm so excited! I have acquired the cat. How are you? You okay, baby? Despite the hours of research we put into adopting a cat, we were definitely not prepared. Kitty. Do you want love or are you scared? Make up your mind. So the cat hates me. That cat's not real. That's not another cat. That's just you. Last night she was meowing so much. We actually had to sleep in a different room. Marnie was not too happy to be in a new place. She hissed at us, hid under the bed, and wasn't too thrilled when I had to take her to the vet only a week after we adopted her. And I don't wish that experience on anyone. I'm so sorry. But slowly and cautiously, Mercury came out of her shell. She began eating while we sat nearby, using her litter box like a pro, and even letting us pet her. Now she basically runs the house. She loves her cat tree, her mouse toys, and needing a certain fluffy pillow. Why do cats do that again? Becoming pet parents is a huge responsibility, but after a month of loving our sweet little kitty, we can't imagine life without her, and we think she's pretty happy too.
I can't believe I have a pet.
She has really come out of her shell. So everyone, put your paws together and say hello to the one, the only Marnie Mystery. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you liked it and leave a comment below if you have any fur babies and how your adoption journey went with them. You can follow me on my social media, which is on the screen. Instagram stories feature a lot more of Marnie. So head over there if you want to see daily snaps of my sweet little ornery kitty. So thank you again so much for watching. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you next time.